Polyjet is a 3D printing method that makes beautiful, precise models in a huge variety of materials and colors. It works like an inkjet printer, but instead of jetting drops of ink, Polyjet 3D printers jet tiny droplets of liquid plastic. A UV light instantly cures the plastic, solidifying it. And so, layer by layer, complex models take shape. The most advanced Polyjet systems can build multi-material parts. Soft, rigid, clear, and colorful. You can even adjust material properties like heat resistance and durability. The same technology that makes gorgeous prototypes also makes precise manufacturing tools. Designers can predict future needs and serve them now. Manufacturers deliver better products faster and with less waste. Researchers have new methods of saving lives. Polyjet is reshaping industries like film, fashion, and medicine. It's helping people with great ideas improve the future. What's next?